Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use Karnataka Digital Public Library. First, we have to open the Karnataka Public Digital Libraries website. In Google, we can type Karnataka Public Digital Library. So, this is the website of Karnataka Digital Public Library. By clicking this, we will be directed to the home page of the Karnataka Digital Public Library. Before that, users need to be registered with this portal. Once we register, we will get user ID and password. This is in both Kannada and English language. So we have to log in to this digital public library using our credentials with necessary user ID and password. So username is the registered mobile number, and the password which we have set initially. The system will generate one password. Later on, we have to change according to our needs. So we have to log into the website. So this is the home page of the Government of Karnataka Department of Public Libraries Digital Library. Here, as you see on the screen, there are 38,024 ebooks, 5,829 videos, and 59,990 journals. And apart from that, in the kids zone, there are 2,594 items related to kids. As we scroll down, there are different sections like videos and recommended ebooks, recommended videos, and for science students, there are simulation labs like chemistry, physics, mathematics, and this is the journal section. So, depending upon the requirement of the users, we can search our materials in the digital public library. In the top right side, here all the subjects are created. Depending upon our requirement, we have to set the filters. Say for example, if I select the library science as a filter, I will here we can see that books related to library science are displayed, ebooks. Say for example, if I click view all, there are 35 results, means 35 ebooks related to library science which are available in the digital public library. Okay, in the same way, there are journals. So there are 37 journals. 37 journals which we can access full text. Say for example, if I click on this knowledge engineering and data science, if I click on the open button, I will be directed to the home page of the journal. Here I can access the current issue of the journal. In the same way, if I click on any book, if I am interested to read that book, for example, if I click that book, so if I click a particular book, an e-reader will be open wherein a user can read books online. So this is the All India Library Conference book. It consists of 146 pages. If I click on the next page, automatically the reader is directed to the next page. Even we can scroll down for each pages. In the same way, I can access videos. Say for example, this is a video about warming up with the ball. If I click that play button, a video will play on my screen. See, in the right hand side we can see the related videos of general interest to general public. Because this is a public library, not related to specific subjects, general topics are covered here. In the same way, I can change to another videos depending upon my requirement. This is the aerobic exercise jog on the spot for older adults. The video shows that because as I said earlier, it is a public library. It needs to cater to the needs of the different types of users, older adults, young youth, and it should cover all the subjects. So friends, this is a small demonstration about the Government of Karnataka Department of Public Libraries Digital Library Initiative. Thank you.